greenhouse update on today's market homesteading. We've got 4 windows in. We've got the screen up behind them. They're all set up on hinges so we can open and close them as it gets warmer or colder. We're putting a second layer of plastic on the inside of the rafters to help build up heat. And we've taken the plastic off the workbenches where we start our trays and germinate our trays, and we're going to put some new plastic down. Wood stove's up and going with the new stovepipe on the back. We still have some material to get out of the greenhouse. The boxes will burn when we start our fires for the wood stove, and the wood here is our kindling. So some old lath we took off the greenhouse, took the nails out, bits and pieces of the wood that we used for the purlins, old tomato stakes that we cut up and then burn. So just a quick little update. We're going to have an upcoming video series, Hard Truths About Homesteading. A lot of the channels we like to watch have been talking about the romanticized version of homesteading that's shown on YouTube and other social media. So we're going to discuss our views on the subject and what we think the hard truths about homesteading are. So look forward to that. I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks for watching.